Hello friends, welcome to IICE. My name is Naresh Raj and our today's topic is MATLAB. In this lecture we will discuss about introduction to MATLAB and let's see. Here you are seeing that now we will discuss about MATLAB, and MATLAB stands for Matrix Laboratory and developed by Cleve Muller of the company MathWorks in the year of 1984. It allows matrix manipulations, plotting of functions, implementation of algorithms, and creation of user interfaces. In this, first is a command window. In this window, one must type and immediately executes the statements as it requires quick prototyping. These statements cannot be saved, thus can be used for small easily executable programs. In this command window we write a statement and we got a result quickly. And next is the editor script. In this window one can execute larger programs with the multiple statements and complex functions. These can be saved and are done with the file extension .m. And next is a workspace. In this window the value of the variable that are created in the course of the program in the editor are displayed. Next we will see that how can we implement this in the MATLAB. Let's see. As you see here that this is a front view of a MATLAB software. In this first we will discuss what is command line, what is current folder, what is workspace, and what is command history. And then in this here you are seeing that this is area is a command window. In this we type a statement and then we obtain a result quickly. And in this current folder here shows a folder's name. In this we are doing work. And workspace, in this workspace the original value of the variable which we write in a command window that shows in the workspace. And command history, in this command history view a command history of the command, means that command we are writing in the command window that shows in the command history. And as we are seeing that just here a equal to 10, and then this is a equal to 10 here. And then here in workspace you see that in the name a value 10, and when and command history the see this here a equal to 10. And then when we see in workspace that the original value of a, this is a, when we click on this shows in a matrix. Here you are seeing that this is shows in the matrix. And now we will cancel this. If we want to clear off the command window, then there is a one command which is a clc. If we type this and then we enter, this clears a command window. And then if we want to clear a workspace, then we use a command clear all. If we type a clear on, then this will clear the workspace whole. As you see that this clear all here, the in workspace see that the all value of the workspace has been removed. And if we want to equal to, first we will see that if we want to only one by one remove from the workspace, then we will use the, as you are seeing that I write a equal to 10, b equal to 10, and then in this see the in this workspace you see that here a and b equal to 10 and 10. If we want to remove only a, then we will write clear a, then this will be clear of the a file. And if we want to clear now b, then we will type clear b. So this is a command to the clear of the workspace. And for the clear command window we use the clc. And in this we are seeing that here you are seeing that there we will discuss about command window and script file. Let's see. First we will clear workspace, sorry. And now as you see that statement we are writing in a command window, this will not save permanently in this file. And for this save a program, first we will see that if we have a program large and we cannot run in this command window, and for use this we use a script file. Let's see this. Here you are seeing that this is a new script. When we will click on this, there will be open up one file that calls a script file. In this, here we can type any program and then run from here, and in this we can save our program and run this. Let's see how we create a matrix in MATLAB. That's a equal to 1 2 semicolon 3 4. See this is a 2 by 2 matrix. How can we see that? What is the size of this matrix? There is a one command, this is the size. And now we want to see the size of the A, then we will type a. That's clear, and click this, enter. And here you are seeing that this is a 2 by 2 matrix, mean 2 row and 2 column. And now we will see that C equal to 1 ratio 10. In this, here you are seeing that there is a numbers from 1 to 10 in a single row. And if we want to spacing between elements, then see this, how can we create a spacing between these elements? C equal to 1 to 10. See this, here is a spacing between elements, here 2 and here absent 2. This means this shows a spacing between the two consecutive element, one present, 2 absent, and then 3 present, and next 4 absent, and 5, and next 6 absent, and 7 present, and next 8 absent, and 9 present, and next 10 absent. Here you are seeing that this is a video for introduction of MATLAB, and now we will see that what is a variable, what is the operation of the MATLAB. We will see in the next video. Okay, thank you.